Hello! It is currently day 9 in Hawaii, and as you can tell, I'm starting today's vlog off at the beach, which is a nice change from vlogging from the car. So today Connor and I decided to drive to the other side of the island to find the sun, basically, because all we've been getting lately is rain. I love this beach. Pretty. Good day at the beach. We actually could relax this time.
They get rained out.
I know, seriously. First time in a while that we came to the beach where we didn't get rained out.
We just came late, you know?
Yeah. It's like really weird to leave the beach when it's still hot because we're so used to leaving because it's raining. It was super hot today, but I think Connor got a tan.
Yeah. So tan.
So tan. You're almost as dark as me now.
Almost. One more day I'll be good.
On our way back home now. It's a very successful beach day. So we stopped by the store to get some beverages for our trip back. And I decided to try this like weird drink I've never heard of before. Mogu Mogu. It's yogurt flavored drink.
I think it's yogurt flavored.
Yogurt flavored drink, yep, not just yogurt drink, yogurt flavored. So there might not even be yogurt in here. You gotta chew. No color. Oh man, I'm so excited.
What do you mean? What's in it?
I think there's like pieces of like aloe or yogurt in it. I don't know, there are things floating around in there, so I'm a little nervous. It smells sweet. Okay, yeah, definitely gotta chew. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. I just don't know what I'm chewing on. That's what I'm concerned about.
Interesting.
Right?
Good though.
It's good. It's not bad, but it's just interesting.
It's like all those things that's like, what am I drinking?
What? Yeah, I don't really like to chew my drink, so I'm gonna stop drinking that. Back into the rain and the fog.